Hello guys, in this video I show you how to add a border to photos in Canva. Let's go. The best would be if you upload a PNG photo without background, but if you have a photo like here and you want also to remove the background, you can just click on BG remover if you have the pro version of Canva. If you don't have the pro version of Canva, you can remove the background for free if you click on apps and then type in here BG remover. Enter and use one of these apps here. I'm using this one, erase background. Wait a few seconds. Alright, now it's removed. You can see the man here without background, only the laptop and himself. And yes guys, if you want to add a border, you just select the photo where you want to add it and then click on edit. Now click on shadows and here you have the options to add a glow, drop, outline, curved, page lift, angled and backdrop. Most of the time I'm using glow, using low intensity, higher blur, and the size is always a little bit different, so this way it looks very natural. A lot of people are also using the outlines. The outlines are very good to highlight specific photos or parts or objects. If you increase the intensity to 100%, you can see this effect many thumbnails or people have in their thumbnails. And yes guys, if you want to have it thinner, just reduce the size or increase the size. You can also change the color, for example to white. And yes, let's also select the other picture here. It's automatically, the settings are still open here for the second picture. Add a glow, change the settings, also intensity here. Or you can also choose drop, curved, page lift, whatever you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.